And a hearty welcome to our major sir, correspondent sir, principal sir.
Now it is only August 15th is our Independence Day. Okay. You should understand very clearly. So be patriotic. దేశాన్ని గౌరవించాలి, అన్ని మతాల్ని గౌరవించాలి, అన్నదమ్ముల్ని గౌరవించాలి, నాన్నని అమ్మల్ని కూడా గౌరవించాలి. They are the people who are sacrificing their life to your future. And also our army మనకి బోర్డర్లో కాపాడు చేస్తున్నాం. మనం ఇవాళ సుఖంగా ఉన్నామంటే మన దేశ ఆర్మీ మనని బోర్డర్లో కాపాడుతుంది. వాళ్ళకు కూడా మనం ఎంతో రుణపడి ఉన్నాం. అర్థమైందా?
Let us do something and show. My child, that little funny little girl, she was giving orders in such a way. 1974, I joined in the Navy in the year 1974. This is all about me. Problem at the border, Navy people are at Gujarat and Rajasthan. We can see Pakistan border there, and we were always waiting only for one word, that is,
how many of you keep your shoes in the shoe stand when you go home? No, you should not tell the lies. You should not tell lies. Are you all keeping shoes in your shoe stand? Okay, that is also being responsible. Okay, you must keep your shoes in your shoe stands, bag at the right place, then giving proper respect to the grandparents. Are you giving? Tata garu, good morning, cheptunara.